Hey everybody, today is an amazing day because we're going to hear an awesome story about Diane and the success that she has found while being under care in this office. Diane, I know you came in initially with severe headaches. You had a lot of issues with moving your neck in what should have been a normal movement, but unfortunately you couldn't.
I could not move my neck. It just would not move. And turning, if I had to turn, I'd have to get up and physically turn. And my neck, I mean, it's wonderful. It's just wonderful now. But I came in on a whim. I didn't want to come in, but I knew I was hurting. My hip was out. I knew my hip was out. I had gone to a holistic chiropractor for years, but he retired. Wonderful man, wonderful man. And for 2 years, I just been suffering. And I said, I heard from a friend that recommended me to you, which I'm so happy that she did. And I'm pleasantly surprised. I mean, my knee doesn't hurt, my hip, wonderful. And I came in, we were just chit-chatting one day, and I said, I have acid reflux. I said, it's really bad, and the doctor prescribed me a prescription reflux medicine, and I had to take it twice a day. Well, I mentioned that to you, and you gave me a little push.
Yeah.
And a couple of days go by, and I said, hey, I haven't taken any pills. What's up with that? And I didn't take any pills. I came in, you actually fixed my acid reflux. I have not in weeks taken those, and I'm not one for medication.
Right.
So
only when needed, but in
yes.
your case, it was a different story.
I didn't want to live forever on medication.
Right.
That's not my thing.
It's a glum outlook, and now just hearing the story, just reflecting back on it. Again, thank you to our friends that refer us to people who may help us.
Well,
thank you for trusting us.
Oh well, Dr. Khan, I love you.
We love you too.
I'm so happy I found you.
Thank you so much.